Hi, this is a video tutorial for MathMat 4. I have some guests with me here today. Okay, these are the materials that you'll need. It's an Expo marker, MathMat 4 double-sided, looks like this. One side, the next side this way. Then you'll need the Building Numbers digital spinner, looks like this. You'll need a place value chart and the large paper clip that was given for last MathMat. You'll need to get an eraser or an old sock for the Expo marker. And you'll also need a pen or a pencil to spin the paper clip. For MathMat 4, side 1, which is this, the concept is that you are writing 2 to 3 digit numbers in standard form, expanded form, and word form. So here's an example for MathMat 4 side 1 on writing 2 to 3 digit numbers in standard form, expanded form, and word form. Students can build 2-digit numbers by just spinning the paper clip twice. So that could be 20, and then that can be 4, so 24. Or if they want to do a 3-digit number, they could do this. Looks like 900, spin it again. 910, spin it again. It looks like 913. So that's all you would do to spin 2 or 3-digit numbers. So for MathMat 4 side 1, if I spin the 3 numbers 1, 2, 3, it would be 123. I would write it in standard form on the worksheet. 123 will look like this. 123, and then I'm going to do it in expanded form. It would be 100 plus 20 plus 3 equals 123. Then I would write it in word form, and there is a chart with numbers and the words. So I would pick 100, 20. Now remember, when it's a double-digit words like 23, you're going to put a hyphen in between the tens place and the ones place. So an extension to MathMat 4 side 1 of writing a word in standard form, expanded form, and word form like this, which I just showed you, you can also draw it out or use those base 10 block cutouts that you did for MathMat 3. So it would look like this in the classroom. We would have 100 flat, and we put it in the hundreds place. Then we would have 2 tens to represent 20. 10, 20, and then we would have 3 ones to represent the 3 and 23. So either you can use the cutouts that you did last time for MathMat 3, or you can draw pictures. So the picture would look like this, similar to what you see here. Is a square representing the hundreds flat, 2 lines representing the tens, and 3 ones, like this. So for MathMat 4 side 2, which looks like this, it is a worksheet that is made by a company, so if you need extra copies, let me know. I can't post it online because I don't have permission. So the concept being taught for this side of the mat is to build 2 to 3 digit numbers for each round, and there's 5 rounds with the digital spinner. And then in each round, circle the largest value number and the smallest value number and put them and add them together. This is the concept that we're just approaching in class, and I feel like this would be a good introductory to do at home. So again, for this side 2 of the MathMat, you can alternate between spinning the digital spinner 3 times or 2 times to get those 2 to 3 digit numbers. So this is what my first round looks like. And then I'm going to, once I'm done, I'm going to circle the largest value number and the smallest value number, and then add them together using a picture or drawing of the base 10 blocks. So it'll look like this. So here are my 2 numbers that I'm going to add together and using a picture. So I drew my number using the place value chart and the drawings of the base 10 blocks. So I have 5 hundreds, 6 tens, 7 ones, making the number 567. Now I'm going to add the number 43. Keeping in mind that 10 ones make 1 10 and 10 tens make 100. I added 43 to my number 567. And now I'm trying to see if I can compose 10 ones into 1 10. And I look and I see at the ones place, oh, let me get my figure there, it would be 10 ones. So I'm going to box it, move it, make 1 10, cross it out. Here we go, composing 10 ones into 1 10. Box it, move it, make 1 10, cross it out. Now I'm going to count my tens. 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 11 tens. I need to see a way if I can compose 10 tens into 100. And I can because I have 11 tens. So I'm going to box 10 tens, box it, move it, make 100, cross it out. Now I'm going to see the value of each place value. So I have 6, excuse me, I have 600s, 110, and 0 ones, making it a value of 610. Just as a suggestion, I would hold off showing your child how to do an algorithm when adding the 2 to 3 digit numbers because I want them to get the conceptual visualization of adding 2 to 3 digit numbers before we start with the algorithm. So an algorithm, this would be your typical algorithm, right? But my suggestion is get the conceptual development and skill before moving on to the algorithm. If you feel that your child is successful at the conceptual development, then yes, go ahead with the algorithm. But for right now, I would say the majority of the class, just drawing those numbers, composing those numbers, 10 ones into 110 or 10 tens into 100 is perfect. It would really be successful in the classroom as well. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this math tutorial. I'm so glad it went well with my kids here. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it's engaging for your child. Thank you.